What's up, everybody? It is Home Tip Tuesday. All right, today is our final time going through the Tulsa FHA insured loan doc, so let's jump over to Zoom and finish it
Okay,
off.
here's the Tulsa FHA insured loan doc for buyers using an FHA loan, and now we're going to head down to section 4. Section 4 discusses the FHA appraisal requirements, which is necessary because FHA appraisals are a bit more strict than non-FHA appraisals and sometimes come with required repairs that have to be completed before closing. So this final section declares that the buyer and seller have 5 days from delivery of such required repairs to agree on an acceptable arrangement regarding the cost of those repairs and how to complete them. Next week, we'll spend some time talking more about the FHA appraisal requirements that are most likely to come up on an FHA appraisal. But as for today, you'll see that the buyer and their agent sign this document and it's submitted with the buyer's offer. All right, hope this helps. I'll see you next week.